All right, it's time to start chapter 14. It's our last chapter, and I just need to make a quick note to you. This is called Lecture 0 because it's prepping you for the other lectures very quickly. Given the COVID situation that happened this year in the dynamics class that follows this, these students for their previous semester, they would have been taking this chapter as the COVID crisis came and the school shut down and things weren't quite ready. So this year we actually moved energy up into ME 2003, which is given in the fall. This course is in the winter. So I've already lectured that chapter for them, and so I'm going to use those same lectures here. I'm not going to re-lecture the whole thing. So I just want to warn you of that because a couple of times there will be references. This would have been the first chapter in 2003 we did because it's the last one we did here. So you will hear little references to the syllabus explaining what's going on. That when you see that has nothing to do with ENG 1082. We're just moving on into chapter 14. So the lectures are all fine. But if you have slight references to how the course is organized, please ignore them, all right? This is simply bringing the lectures from ME 2003, which were just done once. Did we have energy there? Now it's being brought back. So don't let that get you upset. I hope you'll like them. There are actually some fun lectures in here. Take care. Bye now.